If Steam is showing error 422, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a quick fix that usually gets Steam working again in just a few minutes. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can help clear out bad temporary data and refresh Steam so it can download and connect properly again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's get right into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look up to the top left corner and click Steam, then choose Settings. This will open the main settings window where you can manage download and network-related options. From there, look for the download section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Inside Downloads, you should see an option that says Clear Download Cache. This is the step that often helps fix Steam error 422 because it removes old cache data that may be causing the problem. Go ahead and click Clear Download Cache, and Steam will ask you to confirm. When that confirmation box appears, approve it and let Steam do the cleanup. After the cache has been cleared, the next step is very important. Restart Steam completely. Close Steam fully if it's still open, then reopen it again. Restarting allows Steam to rebuild fresh data and reconnect properly with its services. In many cases, that alone is enough to resolve the error and let everything load normally again. If you still see the issue after that, try repeating the process one more time and make sure Steam is fully closed before reopening it. Also, if you're on a slow or unstable connection, give your internet a quick reset as well, because connection issues can sometimes trigger Steam errors like this. So to recap, the fix is simple. Open Steam, go to Steam settings, open downloads, clear the download cache, confirm it, and then restart Steam. That usually solves Steam error 422 and gets you back into your games and downloads faster. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.